Hey, amazing creators! Today, in this video, we will walk you through the best free transitions in Filmora 14. Want to know? Keep watching! Before we begin, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. What is transition? In video editing, a transition is a technique used to connect one shot or scene to another, creating a smooth flow and maintaining narrative continuity. Transitions like cuts, dissolves, and wipes can be used to signal a change in time, location, or mood. 5 best free transitions in Filmora. Filmora offers a wide range of transitions, such as fade and dissolve, zoom, slides, speed blur, split, glitch, camera, paper, and so on. And we found 5 best free transition for you people to make your video shine. Fade and dissolve. A fade transitions a scene to a solid color, usually black, before fading into the next scene, creating a distinct visual pause. A dissolve or cross-dissolve blends 2 scenes by overlapping them, making one image gradually disappear as the other appears, implying continuity or close connection between the scenes. In Filmora, go to the Transitions tab, then under Transitions folder you will get Fade and Dissolve. Even you can use search bar to search Fade or Dissolve transition, and you will get lots of free transition to use. Simply drag and drop on the intersection point. If you think that the continued footage is pause for a bit and then play, no problem. We will fix this by placing the first footage on track 2 with the transition, and then adjust the position of the track 2 footage. And now while you play the footage, you will get a smooth transition. You can use these transitions in your vlog or cooking videos. Zoom transition. Go to the Transitions tab, then under Transitions folder you will get Zoom transition folder, and you will get lots of different types of zoom transition. Then transition without the diamond mark is free to use. Drag and drop, and you are good to go. You can even adjust the transition duration according to your requirement. You can use zoom transition in your sports or gaming videos. Slide transition. This transition is widely used in vlog and tutorial videos. In Transitions folder, you will get Slides folder. You will get some free-to-use transitions like Page, Erase Slide, Erase Line, Push, Circle, and Fast Wipe. Simply drag and drop on your footage. You can use this transition in your daily vlogs and in how-to videos. Speed blur. These transitions are widely used transitions. Under the Transitions folder, you will get Speed blur. Under this, you will get free transition like box flip, slide, box turn, simple roll, fish eye roll. These transitions can be used in unboxing videos, product reviews, and fashion videos. And the last one is brush and paper. These are the artistic transitions. Under the Transitions folder, you will get Brush and Paper folder, where you will get free transitions like Travel Journal, Tropical Waves, Brush and Ink, Rusty Torn Paper, and Paper Page Curl. Use these transitions in your travel videos and make your video shine. Download Filmora from the link in the description and explore the free and unique transitions for your next video. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. And if you're into visual effects and tutorials, make sure to visit filmora.wondershare.com for more great content. Can't wait to see you in the next video.